Faith. I'm back again with another unboxing. Okay, thank you for clicking on this video. Thank you for subscribing. Give it a thumbs up. There's hella content coming your way because I have time to put all types of shit out this Christmas, okay? So this is another unboxing for Blessbox. I did post another one for July 2019 and I absolutely love Blessbox. Would recommend it. I have 3 that were waiting for me when I got home, so even though it's no longer those months, I'm gonna still open them and give you my honest opinion because that's what we do. Okay, so once again, this is what the Blessbox looks like. It's a little beat up because it was buried under other packages because I have a shopping problem, but my shopping problem is your viewing pleasure, so it kind of works out. You know, you feel me? And then once again, it just says, enjoy it, babe. Which I love. I mean, it's beautifully packaged and it just says, bless it forward, which I'm totally here for. Let's open it. Ooh, okay. This was for August 2019. We're not gonna make comments and why the fuck I'm opening something that was meant for August in December. We're just gonna roll with the punches. And the theme of the box is called Heat Wave. Ooh la la. Ooh, okay, I like this. I'm fucking with Blessbox. Once again, if I had disposable income, I feel like Blessbox, FabFitFun, those would be the 2 boxes that I would willingly subscribe to. And yeah, let's get into it. Oh, I guess I have one, a Curology coupon. Curology. I am so sorry. I've seen so many ads on YouTube for Curology, the skincare, that I kind of mixed it up. This is cute. I've never personally very picky about the types of hair that I use. And then just a little insert for Zint, which is multivitamins for different types of things. They have the beauty elements and organic. That's cute. I'm not mad at that. Let's start off with this. Ooh, okay. This is an ultra hydrating dry skin. Y'all know I've been complaining about my skin being dry AF since I've gotten home. So I'm here for this. I love coffee facial mask. The cup of coffee from Lush is my favorite one. It wakes you up. It's like a nice little exfoliant and it just leaves my skin feeling silky smooth. So hopefully this is a good dupe for this. You can apparently use this up to 12 uses, which is really, really great. We love hydrating your skin when it's dry as fuck. Okay, Curology, you have this moisturizer. It's simple and it just hydrates without clogging. Apply to face. Is it Curology or I clearly can't read. I was like the first time, Curology. You apply to your face and neck after cleansing, morning and night. Always looking for a nice moisturizer, so I'm here for that. 10 out of 10. Can't believe I was saying that wrong. Like, I feel like such a bimbo sometimes. Ooh, a whole lot of this is salted dark chocolate. Hopefully, well, it has fruits, nuts, and seeds. Do you know how sometimes you get like certain granola bars and they're just a little too earthy? I hope this isn't the case with this. If not, I will smooth put this in my mom's purse and be like, I love you, this is for you. And keep it moving because I'm fake as fuck. And ooh, this is the Invisible Bauble, the multi-purpose headband. This is cute. It's no slip, controls unruly hair, ideal for active lifestyle. I think that's really cute. I normally just put my hair in a ponytail, but you know, it never hurts to have a headband, in my opinion. That's my opinion. Ooh, I was just talking about how I've been exfoliating my lips because they're dry as fuck. Ooh, it smells like pina colada. Ooh, ooh la la. Yo, come through, Blessbox. I'm loving everything. It's like healthy lifestyle, just really festive. And this is a LOVE, the Glacious Stylo eyeshadow in long lasting. Well, it is long lasting in the shade Lunar Shine. That's cute. Seems like a bronzy color. Not bad. Don't know if I'll use it, but that's cute. Then I have this little mini thing from Amazing Cosmetics, and it's just concealer. What type of concealer? Ooh, okay. It might be. No. It is not in my shade range. Not the. Oh, you can see it. Yeah. Yeah, it's very ashy, very cool tone. Definitely not for me, but I mean, you know, we're not perfect. Not all subscription boxes are perfect, and that's fine. Ooh, okay. And this is for raw cocoa. Well, how do you work this? Oh, you can add this to your shakes, into your desserts. So that's cool. These are always very expensive at like Marshalls and Target. So I'm kind of glad I just got my own. Ooh la la. Okay, fancy. I like the Bless box. This is cute. And then, oh, again, these are antioxidant infusion sheet mask, which is really great. We all love sheet masks. They're just great for if you just want to indulge in self-care. Here for it. And then last but not least, they said they had a custom bucket hat. Oh, it's cute. I unfortunately am one of those people who suffers from having a massive fucking head, and hats that are like one size fit all don't fit me. So I can never really like buy hats from like the mall or like stores. But this is cute, you know. For someone with a smaller head, it's just not me. Yo, like I really fuck with the Bless box. Like I love what they put in. I love how it's curated. It's healthy, lifestyle, self-care. I'm here for it. And to think that I picked this box because Cindy Crawford was like on the website, and I was like, I love her. She has great skin. Would recommend this box over and over again. Till I'm blue in the face, 5 out of 5. I feel like you get so much bang for your money, and it just puts you onto new things. And there's always like a big product that they offer, which I think is so great and so endearing. And they're full-size products. Like I've had the Sephora box where they give you nothing but little minis, which is okay. I mean, granted, it's $10 a month, but it's just like when you get full-size stuff and you feel like you're getting bang for your money, I just feel like it just makes the box so much more worthwhile. So I would recommend Bless box again and again and fucking again. So anyway, that was August 2019 heat wave Bless box. So I give it a 5 out of 5 yet again. Thank you for watching. Give this a thumbs up, subscribe. We got more shit coming your way. Period. Bye. Happy holidays.